In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a code toolkit in Notion. Notion is a fantastic platform that can be tailored to suit a wide range of needs, and creating a code toolkit can help you organize and manage your coding projects and resources effectively. To get started, open a new page in Notion. This will serve as the main hub for your code toolkit. Once you've accessed your Notion account, navigate to the home screen or workspace where you want to create this toolkit. Click on the Add a Page button, typically located on the left sidebar of your Notion interface. This will open up a fresh, blank page where you can start building your toolkit. Now, let's lay the groundwork for organizing your code snippets or projects. In the blank page, type /gallery to bring up the option to insert a gallery view. This command allows you to create a visually appealing and functional way to display your code elements. Select the gallery option from the drop-down menu. Now, you've set up a gallery that's perfect for organizing multiple items like different projects or categories of code. Gallery views are particularly useful when you want to glance over thumbnail previews of each item. Once your gallery is in place, click on +New Page. This function enables you to add a new entry into your gallery and allows each entry to act as a separate component or piece of information within your toolkit. It can be incredibly helpful in categorizing your tools, separating them by language, project type, or any classification that suits your workflow. Now that you've got a new page within your gallery, give this new page a title. Simply click on the page title area and type a descriptive name. Think of something that best captures the content of the page, whether it's the language you're working with, the project name, or the type of resource it holds. Clearly labeling each page is a great way to ensure you can easily find and access your resources when needed. After titling your page, click on the empty space below to open up the page content section. This is where you'll be placing your code. To add your code snippets or any essential information, type in code to insert a code block. This command helps you incorporate an area specifically formatted for writing or pasting code. Once inserted, you can start typing your code into this block. Notion's code block will format your text to make it readable and organized, which is essential for reviewing or revising your codes later on. By following these steps, you can efficiently build a code toolkit in Notion that helps streamline your coding process. Whether you're managing simple scripts or extensive projects, this toolkit can serve as your go-to resource repository. Remember to regularly update your toolkit as you develop new projects or learn new techniques. With your code toolkit, you'll have everything neatly organized and at your fingertips.